Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome, guidance and counseling by Rana Ali. My dear students and all the viewers, again, today lecture is on physics FSC part 1 and the first chapter, that is measurement. In the previous lecture, we covered certain things under this chapter, that is the measurement. And today lecture is on branches of physics and certain MCQs which have been given in the past paper. So we will discuss those MCQs from the past paper of physics also. So my dear students, by the end of 19th century, it was believed by all the physicists and other scientists that everything about the physics has been revealed. But at the 20th century began, so many other things came into the knowledge of those physicists, and that's why there are so many other branches of physics also, as physics is basically the experimental science. It is the fundamental science, and it provided so many fundamental principles and other base to the other science branches. So we are discussing certain branches of the physics, and I will name rest of the branches, and you can remember those branches at your own also for exam purpose. So one of them is the nuclear physics. My dear students, as nuclear physics is relating to the central part of an atom where proton, neutron exist. So it means it is the branch of physics which deals with the nuclei of the atom or atomic nuclei. Then next branch is the particle physics. So again, particle physics is relating to, or it deals, or it is concerned with the particles of which matter is composed. Matter is the building block of this universe, and it is composed of so many basic particles. So the branch of physics which is dealing with these particles, so that is known as particle physics. Next branch is the relativistic mechanics. This branch is dealing with the velocities approaching to that of light. So this is known as relativistic physics. And the next branch is the solid state physics. It deals with the matter in solid state and all its properties, structure. So many other branches of physics also are there. I just name them, and you can learn those branches also for exam purpose. So there is astrophysics relating to the astrology, astro, then biophysics. Already I have explained in the previous lecture about the biophysics. Then there is aerodynamics, physical chemistry is there, physical oceanography, oceanography. Then there is medical physics, geophysics, engineering physics. It's EP. Its short form is the EP, that is engineering. Remember, this word is not engineer, it is engineer. So from that it is engineering physics. Then there is plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Basically, till metric level, the students are taught only the three states of matter. Matter, remember, it is the building block of the universe, existing into solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. But there is another fourth state of the matter known as plasma. Remember, most of the matter of this universe is existing are found into this fourth state, that is the plasma state. All the sun, star, and the things which are existing between them, it's all in the plasma state. And at FSC level, this plasma is discussed in detail. Till metric level, it's only named there, but it's not taught in the detail. But at FSC level, it's need to learn about this fourth state in detail also. Then there is magneto hydrodynamics, super fluidity, superconductivity, optics, hydrodynamics, electromagnetism. My dear students, you are to remember all these branches also for exam purpose. And if you remember and learn the things which I have delivered in my lectures, in previous lectures and in today lecture, so definitely you will be ready for exam. Whatsoever the question is given from this chapter in the exam, you can attempt that question very easily. Now there are certain MCQs which I have selected from the past paper. So we discuss now those MCQs from the past paper so that you may be fully ready for the exam. So MCQs from the past board papers. These have been selected from various boards, and you are to remember these MCQs, and you can note down for your as a notes also, so that you may revise these MCQs when your exam is near. It's better that you have to revise your things on daily basis, and whatsoever you get your lectures from your college, you have to revise those lectures. And I'm also uploading lectures on daily basis. You can view these lectures, you can learn the things from my lectures, and you uh, can attempt those questions easily when you are sitting at the exam, and you have to attempt those questions. So the first MCQ from the old or the past board papers is the branch of physics which is concerned with the ultimate particles of which matter is composed of. So four choices are given. The first choice is the atomic physics, second choice is the nuclear physics, third is the plasma physics, and fourth is the particle physics. So definitely uh, we have defined this branch in today lecture. So it is the fourth choice is correct, that is particle physics. Second statement is silicon is obtained from, first choice is the water, second is metals, third is wood, fourth is sand. So its fourth choice is correct, that is sand. As it is said about the physics, you can make castle from this sand, and you can make or manufacture computer chips from this sand also. It is up to you how you are taking this sand. If this sand is considered by the physicist, then definitely computer chips and so many other such type of related things are being manufactured for the beneficial purpose of the human, for the mankind, or human, or for the mankind, for the benefits of the mankind. And you can even construct or make sand castle. CASTLE, castle. Third MCQ is the branch of physics which deals with the atomic nuclei called. So the first choice is astrophysics, second is thermodynamics, third is metaphysics, and then is nuclear physics. So definitely it is the nuclear physics. So mark out or take fourth choice, that is the nuclear physics. Fourth MCQs is the basic component of computer chip is silicon, cadmium, selenium, or the glass. Fourth choice is the glass. So definitely the basic component of computer chip is silicon, and it is obtained, or a component of sand also, it's obtained from sand. So it is silicon. Mass is a quantity derived, base, both derived and base, and fourth choice is none of these. So mass, quantity of matter. Mass is quantity of matter, and it is it derived quantity or the base quantity, or it's the both? So its first choice is correct, that is derived quantity. Uh, sorry, mass is not the derived quantity, it's the base quantity. So second choice is the okay. Next statement is 1 light year is equal to. So it is a parroted statement. You can claim it, or you can with the repetition you can learn the answer of this statement. What is 1 light year equal to? So 1 light year equal to, you can learn it by rooting. So it is 9.46 into 10 raised power 15 meter. So you are to remember this statement. Given 4 choices, but you are to remember one of them. The next statement is the light year is the unit of light, mass, time, or the distance. So it is the fourth choice is correct, that is distance. In the light of Einstein's famous equation, that is E is equal to mc square, the energy for mass of 2 kg is equal to. So again it is the calculated numerical value. So you can prove and claim, or you can just learn the formula, and by doing the calculation you can solve this question very easily. So here 4 choices are given for this question, but I just give you the right. It is 18 into 10 raised power 16 joule. So fourth statement is okay here. How many seconds are there in 1 year? So again it is very interested questions. So it is 3.1536 into 10 raised power 7 seconds. So you can claim and prove and repeat just to remember this answer. In color printing, the whole range of color can be obtained by mixing. In color printing, how many colors are mix to obtain the printing or the pattern you get on paper. So first choice is the 3 colors, then 4 colors, 5 colors and 7 colors. So we mix 4 colors for this purpose. Second choice is the OK and the correct. Next statement is how many year in 1 second. So again uh, it is again a calculated answer. You can get it as per your own calculation, putting the value, and you can remember these questions. But here I just give you the answer 3.1 into 10 raised power minus 8 year. Then the time taken by light from moon to earth is, so it takes 1 minute 20 seconds. The light which reaches from moon to earth takes 1 minute and 20 seconds. So my dear students, these are the MCQs which we discussed during today's lecture. These have been taken from the old or the past papers which have been held under various boards. So do remember these MCQs, and almost we have the theoretical portion of this chapter, that is the measurement, we have covered under uh, 2 lectures, the previous one and the today one, and we will in the next lecture we will discuss its exercise. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.